Congratulations! Contingent number 7. We have 3 contingents left! Ang atong Grand Champion! Naghahanap, we will begin with our virtual showdown third placer. The third placer will be receiving a flag and a gift from Alright? If you are the third placer, that would mean that the choreographer will be the corresponding third placer as well. So, our Nakita Festival 2024 third placer and our best in choreography third placer is contingent number 4. Congratulations on third placer, contingent number 4. Now we have 2 contingents left. May we request the school principal and the choreographer of the remaining contingents to please join us center stage. Good luck to the both of you. Here we go! We will now be announcing our Nakita Festival 2024 second placer and best in choreography second placer. The second placer will be receiving a plaque and a cash prize. And for our grand champion for this year's Nakita Festival 2024, will receive a plaque and a cash prize. Ug ang atong Nakita Festival 2024 second placer, as well as our best in choreography second placer is contingent number 6. Contingent number 3 to please clear the stage. Guys, may we request everyone to please clear the stage. For we will still have a photo op with our second placer. Congratulations on the second placer, contingent number 6. Ug ang atong Nakita Festival 2024 Grand Champion and best in choreography, contingent number 3.